Next topic in the number system, discussing for factors. See, factor means the number of divisibles. The number of divisibles in a given number I can call it as a factor. I just go with one example. Just check it out. The factors of 120 means what are the numbers exactly divisible by 120. See, so 1 cancel exactly 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 5 24s, 6 20s, and 7 is not divisible, and 8 15s are 120, and 10 12 and 15 8s are 20 24. I just go with 30 40 60 and 120. These are the numbers are exactly divisible by 120. See, count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Question number 1, number of factors for 120 is exactly equal to 16. This is the question. But if it is a larger number, it takes a time to consider every number is exactly divisible or not. So we consider as a formula. See, the concept of prime factorization. See, any number in the form of a power b into b power q into c power r. So if any number in the form of a power p into b power q into c power r, the number of factors, they exactly equal to p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. This is the question. Clear? Okay, means so 120 converted into prime factors. So 120 converted into 5 factors means, so just consider 10 12 into 10. So can I write as these value exactly 3 into 2 square. 2 square means 4. Why? Because factors must be a prime number. And 10 can be written as 2 into 5. And finally, I write that the entire equation belongs to 2 into cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. This is the prime factors for 120. Then according to the formula, finding the number of factors means here we have a 3 factors. The total factors are 3 plus 1 into, here 3 having a 1 factor, 1 plus 1, and 5 having a 1 factor, that is also 1 plus 1. So the total number of factors are 4 into 2 into 2. The total number of factors are 16. Okay, see, so if you forgot the formula, so you can go with the direct calculation. It means, see, the concept is deals with the factors. Factors means the exact divisibles. What are the exact divisibles for 2 cube? So 2 cube is exactly divisible by 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square and 2 cube. At the same thing, 3 power 1 is also divisible by 3 power 0 and 3 power 1. And 5 power 1 is also divisible by 5 power 0 and 5 power 1. See, the total number of divisibles for 2 is a 4 numbers, and 3 as a 2 and 5 as a 2. Simply multiply all these numbers, the total number of factors become 16. So this is the formula approach and this is the definition for factors. So question number 1, the number of factors for 120 is 16. Clear? Okay, same question. Sometimes they given, for example, second question, find the number of factors leave 1 and itself. He said that. So counted as a total number of factors for 120, but he said that leave 1 and itself. It means we need to leave 1 and we need to leave as 120. We already know that the total number of factors for 120 is equal to 16, and we leave 2 factors means answer exactly equal to number of factors minus 1 and itself. This is the answer for this particular question. We already know that number of factors is equal to 16. We leave 2 factors. The total number of factors leave 1 and itself is 14 factors. So this is the second question related to the factors. Next, third question related to the factors. He said that question related to find the number of factors, find the number of product of 2 factors. We required 2 product factors. How many are there for 120? For example, I will go with the manual approach. 1 into 120 is the product of 2 factors. And second one, 2 into 60. I just consider 3 into 40. And this is for 4 into 30 and 5 into 24. All the product become 120. And next one, 6 into 20. And the next one, 8 into 15 and 10 into 12. For these question, product of two factors, how many are there for 120? See, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Product of two factors for 120 is equal to 8. Or if you want to formula means, if you want product of two factors means total number of factors. Total number of factors which is divisible by 2. We get a product of two factors. See, we already discussing in previous term. So the total number of factors for 120 is equal to 16 and which is divisible by 2. So 16 divisible by 2. The total number of product of two factors are 8 only. See, if you continue with the fourth question, same model. Find the number of product of two factors. Product of two factors. Leave one end itself. Same model they given as this type. We already know that product of two factors is equal to 8. We need to subtract it. Product of same number means we need to eliminate these particular number means the value we can subtract it by -1. So product of two factors, leave one end itself. The total number of factors are 7 only. So this is the answer. Next, see, we'll go to the fifth question. Find the sum of factors. Sum of factors. Find the sum of factors for 120. This is the question. So we have a formula for finding sum of factors means, see, if any form in the form of a power p into b power q into c power r. The formula related to sum of the factors is equal to a power p plus 1 minus 1 by a minus 1 into b power q plus 1 minus 1 by b minus 1 into c power r plus 1 minus 1 by c minus 1. This is the formula for finding the sum of factors. We know that the factors for 120 is equal to 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Then just apply into the formula. Just apply here and a value become a 2 and p plus 1, 3 plus 1 value become 4 minus 1 divisible by 2 minus 1 into b power q plus 1 by means 3 square minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into 5 square minus 1 divisible by 5 minus 1. I just apply here in the formulas. Then go with it. 2 power 4, 16, 16 minus 1 is equal to 15 by 2 minus 1, 1. And 3 square 9, 9 minus 1 divisible by 3 minus 1. The value become 8 by 2. And 5 square minus 1 by 5 minus 1. The value become 24 by 5 minus 1 become 4. Then see 4 2s are 8 cancel. Finally we have 15 into 24. See, if you want to go with the multiplication of 15 into 24, if any 15 is given, split into 10 into 5. See, 10 and 5. We know that 5 value is half of the 10. We know the calculation. It means, see, 24 tens are 240. Half of 240 is 120. The total resultant is equal to 316. Means, if you add these entire numbers, the sum of all these factors is equal to 360. Okay, if you forgot the formulas, go with the definition approach. We know that factors means number of divisibles. What are the divisibles for 2 cube? 2 cube is exactly divisible by 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square and 2 cube. And same thing 3 power 1 is divisible by 3 power 0 and 3 power 1. And 5 power 1 divisible by 5 power 0 and 5 power 1. We know that sum means we need to add entire factors. So the sum of 2 power 0 is equal to 1. 2 power 1, 2, 2 square value 4 and 2 cube value 18. If you add all these numbers, the resultant become 15. If same thing, we need to add these factors 3 power 0, 1, 3 power 1, 3, the total value become 4. And sum of these numbers, 5 power 0 is 1, 5 power 1, 5, the value become 6. If you multiply all these numbers, 15 into 4 into 6. So product of all these factors exactly equal to 360. This is the direct approach. Simply add each and every number, and we know the concept of multiplication rule. Joining of two different numbers is called as a multiplication theory. That's why I am applying here multiplication theory. So this is the question related for find the sum of factors for 120. So 120 sum of factors is exactly equal to 360. See, go to the next question. Product of factors for 120. Here question, we need to multiply entire these numbers. What is the product of these particular answer? See, it is a difficult for 1 into 2 into 3. Just go the smart way. 1 into 120, the resultant is 120. And 2 into 60, again the resultant is 120. 3 into 40, again resultant is 120, and 5. See here, if you multiple with these all these products which are related to 120. So 120 is the product of all these numbers. That's why simply product of factors, the formula given number whole power number of factors divisible by 2. This is the formula for product of factors for 120. See, what is the given number here? 120 whole power. Number of factors we already calculated. Number of factors are 16 divisible by 2. We get the answer 120 power 8. So the total number of product of factors for 120 is equal to 120 whole power 8. For example, sometimes they question number of zeros in these particular product. See, 0 power 8 means the total number of zeros are 8 only. 120 power 8, the number of zeros are 8 only. Next, go to the 7th question for factors. Find the number of square factors. Number of square factors for 120. First, we know the numbers. These are the exact divisible numbers for 120. See here the question, number of square factors. Square factors means perfect square number. For example, 1, 4 is the perfect square number. Answer is related to 2. We know the number, we can see and we can realize that 1 and 4 are perfect square number. That's why I can choose the answer be the 2. But if it is a larger number, it is difficult to identify these type of calculation. That's why focus on the definition of square. Square can define as if whatever the base value, whatever the base you can consider, power be the 0 or multiples of 2. If power be the 0 or multiples of 2, definitely those numbers are perfect square numbers. That is the definition. So according to these three, so definitely 2 power 0 is the perfect square number. Why? Because power be the 0. And 2 power 1 is not a square. Why? Because we require 0 and multiples of 2. And 2 square is also perfect square and 2 cube is not a perfect square. We get here 2 factors. And see, 3 power 0 is the perfect square value. Why? Because 3 power 0 value become 1. 1 is the perfect square value. And 3 power 1 is not. So definitely we get 1 number. And again 5 power 0, 1 square number, and 5 power 1 is not a square number. Here we get a 1. So that's why 2 into 1 into 1, the total number of square factors are 2 only. So answer 2. If same thing, see, find the number of cube factors. Find the number of cube factors for 120. Same definition. Cube means whatever the base value, whatever the base they given, if power be the 0 or multiples of 3, if power be the 0 or multiples of 3, I can call it as those numbers are perfect cube values. It means, see, just stick with the same pattern here. We can say that 2 power 0 is the perfect cube number. Why? Because power be the 0. And 2 power 1 is not a perfect cube number. 2 square is not a perfect cube number. And 2 cube, see, power be the multiples of 3, definitely this is the cube number. Again, we get 2 numbers. If 3 power 0, power be the 0 perfect cube number and power be the 1 not a cube number, again we get a 1 number. And same thing, 5 power 0, power be the 0, definitely that is a cube number, and power be the 1 not a cube number, again we get a 1. So answer is 2 into 1 into 1. 2 into 1 into 1 is exactly equal to 2. Let's see that what are the cube numbers here? 1 and 8. So here question, the number of square factors for 120 is 2. Number of cube factors for 120 is also 2. So just go with the definition. Square can define as whatever the base value they given, power be the 0 or multiples of 2. Those numbers are square numbers. If same thing, cube can be defined as power be the 0 or multiples of 3. In the any factors, those numbers are always defined as perfect cube number. Yeah. See, next question. Number of odd factors. See how we are finding number of odd factors for 120. What are the odd factors here? We have a numbers 1, 3, 5, 15. The total number of odd factors are 4. But it is a difficult. So we know the numbers, that's why I can recognize. But if it is a larger number, it is a difficult. Then see, first of all, how we are getting as a odd number. We know that first number, even number is multiple with a even number, the resultant is also even number. Just example, 2 is the one of the even number, 4 is the other even number, 2 4s are 8, again we get a even number. Second one, if even number is multiple with a odd number, so I just consider even number 2 and the odd number is equal to 3, and 2 3s are 6, again the resultant is also even number, so that is also 6. And third one, if odd number is multiple with a odd number, I just go with the 3, 5. The resultant is equal to 15 means the resultant is also odd number. See, if even is multiple with even, we get a even number. Even number is multiple with odd number, we get a even. And odd is multiple with odd number, we get a odd number. It means if you get odd as a resultant, we should multiple with odd number to the odd number. Means we need to eliminate whatever the even powers. Why? Because if even is there, definitely the resultant is a even. That's why for the entire these factors, I just eliminate these numbers. Why? Because this is the even number. If you eliminate these even number, we get how many factors for odd we get directly. Then see, if we eliminate these one, the total number of odd factors here by the 2, total number of odd factors here by the 2, and 2 2s are 4. The total number of odd factors are 4 only. Okay? And same thing, for example, same question, for example, same model. So sum of odd factors. So he said that we need to add only odd factors. Some odd factors means we need to add these numbers only. Here 3 power 0 and 3 power 1. Here 5 power 0 and 5 power 1. Focus on only odd numbers. So if you focus on the odd numbers, 3 power 0 and 3 power 1. If you add these numbers, 1 here and 3 plus 1, 4 here. Sorry. So 3 power 1 is equal to 3. The total sum become 4. And same thing, 5 power 0 is equal to 1, 5 power 1 is equal to 5, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. The total resultant of sum of odd factors are exactly 24. See, the total number of odd factors are 4, the sum of odd factors are 24 only. Clear? For example, one more example, 11th question, number of even factors. So if you want to calculate the even factors, we can go with even to odd, even to odd. So we get a 2 type of calculation, but simply time waste. Why? Because a factor is a combination of even number and odd number. We already know that the total number of factors, we already calculated in previously, the total number of factors are 16. Out of 16, the total number of odd factors are 4, but we need to calculate it even factors. It means the total factors is subtracted odd number of factors, then we get directly for even number. The total number of factors here by the 16, the total number of odd factors are 4, the total number of even factors are 12 only. And same model, for example, find the sum of even factors. He said that we need to add all the even factors. What is the resultant we get? Same, total sum minus odd factors sum. So this is the direct calculation. We already calculated in previously. Sum of factors we have calculated, those value become 360. So out of 360, we are subtracted sum of even factors. What is the sum of even factors we get? Here we have 24. If you subtracted 360 minus 24, the value become 336. The sum of even factors are 336. Sum of odd factors are 24 only. Let's see. 13th question. Number of factors which is divisible by 5. In this question, how many factors which is divisible by 5? So if you go with the manual, 5 is the divisible, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 60, 120. The total number of 5 divisibles are 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The total number of 5 divisibles are 8 numbers. But it is a difficult. Why? Because we know the numbers, that's why we can calculate it easily. We get the answer with 8. But if we go with the factors approach, we required 5 is the multiple number. So definitely we required 5 is the must and should number. So means we need to eliminate 5 power 0. Clear? So from these number we consider these, and we know that, for example, 3 power 0 value become 1, 3 power 1 value become 3. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Both are exactly divisible by 5. Means for these type of questions are given, focus on the 5. So if it is a 5 is there, you can consider 5 square, that is also considered, 5 cube, that is also considered. But up to these question, we have a 1 number. And here we consider 2 numbers. Here we consider all these 4 numbers. Why? Because if you multiply these number with 5, definitely those are exactly divisible by 5. So here we consider 4 numbers, here we consider 2 numbers, here we consider 1 number. So the total answer is 4 into 2 into 1. The answer is equal to 8. For example, I will explain again. See, if 2 cube means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. Again 3 power 1 means 3 power 0 and 3 power 1. If you want the divisibles means you consider only for 5 power 1. Why? Because 5 power 0 value be the 1. If you consider as a 5 power 0, that those numbers are not at all exactly divisible by 5. That's why I just consider only 5 power 1. See, so 5 power n into 3 power 0. First number 5 power 1 into 3 power 0 exactly divisible. Second number 5 power 1 into 3 power 1, that is exactly number. And these numbers again multiple with 2 power 0. 5 power 1 into 3 power 0 into 2 power 0. Again this is also divisible by 5. That's why you just consider 5 power 1 is the single number, and you consider these two factors and these four factors and those entire factors which is related to 8 numbers only. Clear? If you want number of factors which is divisible by 5 means consider 5 numbers. So 5 power 0 is not considered. So why? Because these number is not divisible by 5. Okay, for example, 14th question. Number of factors not divisible by 5. So this is the question they given. So if you want to calculate a number of factors which are not divisible by 5 means the total number of factors is subtracted the total number of divisible by 5. So the total number of factors we already calculated 16, and the total number of divisible by 5 for this particular question is equal to 8. So the answer is a 8 only. Clear? I just go to these three questions for these number. So first of all, 2 power 50 converted into prime factorization number. So prime factorization means 245 into 10. So this is the one thing. And these number is exactly divisible by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35. Again 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Again 35 again written as 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. The prime factorization of these particular number is 7 square into 5 square into 2 power 1. This is the resultant. Here question number 1. The total number of factors for 2450. So according to the formula, the total number of factors are 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. The total number of factors are 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. This is the question number 1. Then see, what are the divisibles for 2 power 1? 2 power 1 is divisible by 2 power 0 and 2 power 1. And 5 square is divisible by 5 power 0 and 5 power 1. And 7 square divisible by 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 7 square. Sorry, 5 square is also divisible by 5 power 0, 5 power 1 and 5 square. Okay, here question. Number of factors which is divisible by 5. If number of factors which is divisible by 5 means we required 5 is the definite number. So means we consider 5 and 25 is also divisible by 5. That's why simply eliminate these number only. Then we get how many numbers here for this question? We get a 2 numbers. From here we get a 3 numbers. If you consider any of these number, those number is also divisible by 5. For these number you consider these 2 numbers. The total number of factors are 3 into 2 into 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Means in 2450 the number of divisibles by 5 is equal to 12 factors. Next one. Next one, see the number of factors which is divisible by 35. Divisible by 35 means we required 7 and 5 combinedly. We required 7 power 1 and 5 power 1. Pakka. So 7 power 1 and 5 power 1, those number is always divisible by 35. See, means we are not consider 7 power 0. And we are not consider 5 power 0. So you consider 7 power 1 and 7 square. You consider 5 power 1 and 5 square. And you consider 2 power 0 and 2 power 1. The total number of factors. Here we consider 2 numbers. Here we consider 2 numbers. Here we consider 2 numbers. The total number of factors for these number of factors divisible by 35 means the total answer is equal to 8 numbers. See, if we want 35 means we require together 7 power 1 and 5 power 1. We does not require 7 power 0 and 5 power 0 values. Clear? Next, the number of factors which is not divisible by 245. Not divisible by 245 means total minus divisible by 245. This is negative case. Then focus on how many numbers which is not how many numbers which is divisible by 245. Just check it out. If you want 245 means, so those answer we required 7 square into 5 power 1. Why? Because 7 square is equal to 49. 49 into 5. See, 9 5s are 30. Sorry, 9 5s are 45. 4 here. 5 4s are 20, 24. Means we required 7 square only. We does not require 7 power 0 and 7 power 1. And we required 5 power 1 onwards. Means we does not require 5 power 0. But it required 5 power 1 and 5 square. But you consider 2 power 0 and 2 power 1. That is not at all problem. See, from these question, the divisible by 245 means we consider 7 square. Here you can consider 5 power 1 and 5 square means 2 values. Here we consider 2 power 0 and 2 power 1. Again that is also 2 values. So the number of divisible 245 in 2450 are 4. But our question, how many number of factors which is not divisible? Not divisible means the total number of factors subtracted from divisible by 245. So the answer is exactly equal to 14 factors. And these are the different questions related to the factors concept. Clear? Thank you.